Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm alone because I'm doing the much requested face routine video. So as you can see from the title of this video, I use PortiaM products. So let's get right into it. First of all, I'll just show you the face wash that I use. I use PortiaM all skin types face wash. First of all, I just use not so warm, I'd say lukewarm water to just wet my face, and then I just apply a reasonable amount of the face wash on my face, and I just rub it for the skin to just suck it. I rub it on the skin, and yes, I do apply it on my edges as well to keep them clean as well. I thoroughly rinse the face, guys. I like a clean face, so I just rinse it through. And then after rinsing, I use Clicks cotton towels. I hope you saw that. Yes, but I use those to just pat my face dry. I try by all means to avoid the usual towels that we use to dry our face, because they carry impurities. That is what I've also heard, that those towels carry impurities. So I just use this ones. They're not even that expensive. You can just get them from Clicks. And try to get the double-sided ones so that they don't leave like cotton strands on your face when you dry your face. Right? And then next off, I use the clarifying PortiaM toner. It's also suitable for all skin types. I just put reasonable amount of the toner on the cotton pad, and then I just pat it on my face. This step helps to remove the impurities that the face might have. It just cleans up the face just one last time. It's the most, I think, essential step in every face routine. I look pretty already. And next off, I use the normal to dry skin day cream. If I was doing a night video, I was gonna use the night cream, but because this is a day video, I just use the day cream. I really love how this cream feels on the face. It really feels gentle and nice. It really feels good on the face. So I just apply it even to hydrate my edges. And then next off, I use the PortiaM Serum Oil. Okay, this is the most essential product that PortiaM has. it is said that it makes the other products to react with your skin. So this is if you want to like remove dark spots or acne marks, you must never leave this serum oil off your routine. It's the most essential like product in your PortiaM face routine. So yes, I just apply it on my face. I apply generous amount. I love the way it feels on the skin. It doesn't feel sticky or whatnot. It just feels nice and slippery. It makes the face feel really soft. So ngiyole bathi bangi glow, guys. You can already see the glow on my face. Yes. So next off, I think we'll just do my edges. I never go out without doing my edges. So today I'm gonna use the organ oil age control. I normally use this age control or use the black seed oil age control. That is if like my braids are still new and the edges are just still not that visible. It's really good for small edges, but because here I've braided in about 2 weeks back and my edges are just out there popping, I just use this one because it's really easy to use and apply. So I just put it reasonable amount, and then I use an old toothbrush. I use an old toothbrush to just brush through my edges. Most people usually use a spoolie brush or a small comb, but I prefer a toothbrush because it brushes through the edges properly, especially if you are like me and you have like long grown edges that are almost the size of your hair. So I just use it to just curve through my edges like that. It helps gives me a really smooth finish on my edges, and I never go out without doing my edges, guys. Imqoka le party lena, guys. And make sure, guys, that when picking an age control gel, please just pick the natural gels. Natural, like plant, the ones that they extract from plants. They're healthier for your hair. And then next off, I just put that towel on my hair to just pat dry the excess gel, the excess age control that I might have on the edges of my face. So I usually use a towel or I just use a hand towel. So next off, I'll just apply this PortiaM oil. I don't apply this oil during summer. I just apply it now because it's winter and I have a really dry skin, guys. My skin is so dry. So I just apply this to just hydrate my skin and give it that glowy look. And it also helps to remove dark spots, acne marks. It removes a lot of things. So I just apply it to just hydrate the face and give it that glow. As you can see, my face is already glowing. If I'm not like going to put on makeup, I just put on this oil and I just glow like that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna put on the description box all the products that I used. I hope this was very helpful to you.